Are there fire-rated glass and framing products in the NFRC CMAST database? So the answer is yes. In fact, SAFTI FIRST is the only manufacturer in the fire-rated market space that has both glass and framing approved in the NFRC CMAST database. And that allows architects and engineers to calculate our U value, our visible light transmittance, and our solar heat gain coefficient for any exterior window application, including our Superlight 2XL, our Superclear 45HS and Superclear 45HS Li, GPX framing, and any other high-performance coating or component available in the CMAST database. SAFTI FIRST has an NFRC-accredited ACE on staff to help architects design fire-rated, energy-efficient fenestration systems. If you want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to visit our website at www.safti.com or call us toll-free at 888-653-3333.